Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the S&P 500 chart here. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the home page and start your 100% free 7-day trial today. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address and you're going to get immediate access to all of the member benefits like the live broadcasts, professional, open and honest chat room, the daily member videos and watch lists that we produce for members, as well as the webinars and education from traders like myself who truly care about your success as a trader. Another thing you're going to be able to take advantage of is the profitable trade alerts, which are not only going to make you money in the market, but you're going to learn how to become a better trader on your own, because we're not just handing you the alerts, we're explaining in great detail why the alert was taken, and you learn from the successes, from the failures, and everything in between. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. Alright, so let's get into this chart right here. One thing I want to note here, people are getting a little overexcited about today's candle. And let's go over the reality of today's candle. Okay, so today we made a new low and we made a lower high. So a lower low and a lower high, and we also closed below yesterday's open. Alright, so that was resistance. We also closed below this downtrend line right here. You can see it a little bit better. I'm going to go to the intraday chart here. You can see that we have, and this is the 15-minute chart, you can see that we have a touch here, 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 and this is some after hours action right here. So we closed under that. We also closed below this resistance here. I'm looking at main levels here. Okay, the main levels here are 212 or so up here, about 209 and about 204. Anything in between, not really a main level, at least not what I'm seeing. So the reason why 209 is a resistance level is over here we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, almost 6 on that candle, and then we broke through that resistance right here, and as you can see we've gotten rejected at it twice already. More than likely we're going to retest it tomorrow. I suspect we're going to get rejected there. As long as we close below 209, we're going to be heading lower. So keep in mind everything that I noted: lower low, lower high, and we closed below the body of yesterday's candle. So not out of the woods quite yet. We've also got the 8 exponential moving average that's about to cross below the 20 period exponential moving average. We got a MACD bear cross right here as well. I do think that 209 should see some resistance. The bounce zone that I'm looking for, the best area, risk reward in my opinion, is this 204, between 203 and 204 level right here. It's a solid level right here. You can see that we've got maybe 7 candles right here, 8, 9, 10 candles, including those 2 right here, where this is lined up as support. And I just want to point out, the S&P 500 is trading very technically lately, so this is a nice, easier market to trade than it has been other times. And I'm just going to go over some patterns here that we've seen. So first of all, we've got this nice support at 204 to play off of. Over here we had this nice downtrend line over here, and we broke over it, and that saw a breakout. Over here we created some nice support at 209. And as you can see, we broke through that, and now it's resistance. We also had a rising wedge pattern that we noted over here. And if you've watched the last videos I've done on the S&P 500, you know that we liked it short from this rising wedge breakdown. So we broke down out of that. This was a nice technical pattern. Okay. Another thing that I want to note is it hasn't always been this easy. If you go over here, look at how erratic these moves were. Alright, we kind of had somewhat of a downtrend going that you could draw, but not really. You can see that it kind of faked you out, with that move right there. So that was a fake breakout. And then over here, you don't really have a solid level of support. It breached that level, went back above. Over here, we breached this level, and then it bounced back up. Very erratic, a lot of gaps, and this is a very hard time to trade over here. Whereas over here, we're trading very technically. You can see this pattern is smooth. We're creating a nice support. We're breaking over trend lines. So I just wanted to kind of show my observation of the current market. It's a little easier to trade at the moment. That big support is going to be at 204, resistance 209, and just over 212 is going to be that main resistance above us. So pay attention to these key levels, and you should do just fine. Thanks for watching the video. Again, you can join us for free for 7 days. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address, and you're going to get immediate access to all of the member benefits. It's a great opportunity, and we would love to have you. We'll see you over there.